Do you want to change your password and username while logged into your WordPress website? If you have ever forgotten your password and username, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to change your WordPress password if you are currently logged in. And I'll also demonstrate how to log in if you have been logged out of your account. We will explore a simple method to change the username and password without adding any new users. So let's start the video. Now we will see how to change the password while logging in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Users, click on Profile, find the Account Management section. Here you can see the New Password option. Click on Set a New Password. Then you will see a new field. Enter your new password in the provided field. Then simply click Update Profile to proceed. Quickly update your WordPress password with the simple steps. Now explore a simple method to change your username. By default, WordPress doesn't provide an option to change usernames. Changing usernames in WordPress usually involves creating a new user profile, which can be quite complicated and inconvenient. Today, I'll show you how to change your username in WordPress without creating new users. Go to Plugins, click on Add New Plugin, search here Switch Toolkit for WP. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to the Switch Toolkit, click on Features, find the username changer and turn it on. Click the Save Changes button. Now go to Users, click on the Profile, find the Edit Username option, enter your new username here. Then click on Update Profile. Follow the simple steps to change your WordPress username and password. Now let's explore how to reset your WordPress password if you have forgotten it and are currently logged out of your account. Click on Lost Your Password, then enter your username or email address. Now click on Get New Password. You will receive a link on your email to set a new password for your WordPress account. We have already made a detailed video specifically for resetting password, link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding these issues, feel free to tell us in the comment box. So if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel.